Hello everyone. I just got something for the Charger that I didn't think I was going to be getting for a long time, quite frankly. I got some carpet. Right now in the Charger has got some green house carpet that my dad had put in there before he started driving the car. And I've never seen this car with actual automotive carpet, which I'm really excited about. Real excited about getting that new carpet, or new carpet. A friend of mine sent it to me. It's Jed over at Scott's Speed Shop. If y'all don't know about his channel, I'll put a link to it in the description. Go check out his channel. He has some awesome cars, awesome projects going on right now. He's doing a 500 stroker 4-speed swap in his 1970 Charger. But he's redoing the interiors with having to convert over to a 4-speed from an automatic, so he's having to get different carpet. So I was able to get his old carpet, and it's on the back of the Charger right now, so let's take a look at it. Well, here it is, my new carpet, and let's get this opened up and look at it. There it is. A few more pieces of duct tape. This must be for the footwell side. Wait, no, that's for the driver's floor. Okay, but that's the cutout for the console brace. Need to clean it a little bit, but I'm sure my vacuum will make a quick work of getting all this cleaned up. This is the driver's floor. This is the driver's floor, the driver's front. Okay. It's got that little pad right there for your footrest. Oh yeah. I am definitely liking this. This is going to make this Charger look so much better on the inside. And this is Wednesday. I will be. I thought about putting on some Pour 15 on the floorboards, but I got to looking at my passenger side floorboard because I knew my driver's side was in bad shape. The passenger side has got some pinhole, has got some rust holes in it. So instead of doing that Pour 15, what I'm going to do is get all that old carpet out and spray paint the floor after I get it cleaned and cleaned and sanded and all that. And I was even thinking about doing some temporary fiberglass patches until I can actually replace the floor. So so at least it would be a little bit more sealed off from the elements. But yes, here is the carpet. I am like I said, this is Wednesday. I'm going to gather some supplies on Friday and start getting this interior pulled out. The front seats, the back seats, and all that old carpet. So really looking forward to that. So I'll see y'all on Friday. Well, here's the start of the disassembly of the interior. I've getting stuff, just random stuff out. Got my console empty, got the back seat emptied. Now I'm gonna work on getting these out, and I'm gonna stash them in my storage building until I am ready to put them back in. But let's get them out and get to see this green house carpet in all its splendor. So we'll see y'all in a second. Alright, I got the seats loosened from the floor. I just need to get them out, so get them out. Might have to loosen up one of these armrests to get it out. I think that might be what I had to do last time. And there it is. The seats are out. Still need to clean up some trash. And I need to get the console out. And the door sill trim off. And this carpet will be ready to come up. It'll be ready to get out. And you can see the factory carpet for this car is actually still in here. So on the off chance that the build sheet might be underneath the carpet, which I highly doubt it, I'm going to be very careful when I'm pulling up the carpet, just in case I might find it. But I'm not really holding my breath on that. But seats are out. This is a Thursday. I was able to get all my supplies, and gonna get started on this in the morning, getting everything else cleaned out, getting the console out, getting the door sill pieces off, and then my seat belts off the floor off, and then we'll be ready to pull the carpet up. I'll see you then. Well, I got the console out, I got the seat belts off the floor, and just wondering where that went. This piece that goes right there on my cigarette lighter. And the carpet is ready to come up. This will be the first time I have ever had this carpet out. Wow. That is the original carpet. And there we go. Carpet is out. Now I need to vacuum. See what I'm working with. Floors are definitely need attention. But as you saw me earlier in the video, I can actually stand on the floor, so it's not too bad, but does need attention. Oh, and the previous clip was Friday, not Thursday. I had my days mixed up. But this is Saturday, and going to stop the video so I can get the vacuum out here and get everything sucked up. So I'll see y'all in a second. Well, here is the floor after vacuuming. It's a little bit more worse for the wear than what I was hoping. I knew about this because I obviously already had the carpet pulled back to actually put this patch in. I believe I knew about that. I was kind of hoping that this back footwell was going to be good, but there's a lot of pitting on here, and it's still structurally sound, and I can still trust it. But it's just got really bad. It's got rust cracks right on here. You can see. I think there's another one. No, that's not one. And the other side is not much better. Let me go around the other side. Here's the other side. It's got some rust through right here. It's got a rust crack right there, and right there, and right there. So I can still trust it to go down the road and keep me safe. But I was, like I said, I was gonna put some fiberglass patches, but it'd be a lot of work into something that's just going to get replaced in a couple of years. So I don't really see, it doesn't warrant the work right now, so I'm not going to worry about it. I do have some extra insulation that I will be putting down before I put the carpet down, just to have a little bit more protection against heat. But I will be doing that, and carpet will be going in sooner than expected because I'm not going to be doing those fiberglass patches. So a little bit bummed at how bad it was, but I honestly should have seen it coming with this being an original vinyl top car. And those two places you see duct tape, there's where some rust holes were that were dripping down. So it's a 50-year-old car. You know, stuff like this is to be expected if it hasn't been pampered. But it is what it is. So let's get the carpet down and the insulation. I'll see you in a second. All right, my extra insulation is down. This is just really the same stuff that you can get sun visors out of. I went to Lowe's and I was able to get a roll of it for about probably $25 tax and all. And I got it cut to length for the where your feet's going to be. I'm not going to worry about right there right now. And this is not sticky back or anything. This is just sitting down here. And I got I believe the back goes in first and then the front, I believe. So let's get it in. This definitely looks very nice in here. I'm gonna get everything set right, then start getting the seats in, but I'm pretty sure this is definitely how it goes. So there's the back part of the seat where he had his mounts right there, and I'm just gonna find out where the holes are and poke up. I think right there. There's one of them. But yeah, there it is. Carpet is in. I just need to get stuff finalized, and I will show y'all once I have the console back in and the back seat back in. So everything's going to be fitted nice. The next time, in the next clip, going to have the door seal trim on both sides. Going to have the console back in and the back seat. So I will see y'all then. Well, the console and back seat are back in, and I am definitely loving the way this is looking. And I was worried that I might not have had this back piece in right, that the holes for the seat belts lined up perfectly. So I did have this in right, and had to fight it a little bit to try to fit these door seal pieces back on. And there's a little piece that's supposed to go back here, but I couldn't get it to fit, so I'm gonna hang on to it and just put it on at a later day. But it's looking awesome. Got to get the front seats in, and then I'm going to vacuum, and then this will be done. Well, here it is. The carpet is in and everything is finished. This looks so much better. Looks just so much better than that. I'm just so happy to have automotive carpet in here and it be black. It just looks so much better. Everything nice and clean, vacuumed, and ready. Well, there it is. The carpet is in. Once again, a big thank you to Jed over at Scott's Speed Shop for sending me that carpet. The dirty job getting it in, but I love it. It looks so much better than that greenhouse carpet that was in there before. But thank you for watching. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. And at the end of September 20th through the 22nd, I will be at the Samstown Casino in Tunica, Mississippi for the Delta River Cruise-In. I will have my Charger and truck there, so if you can make it, come down there. If the weather's good, we should have around 1,000 cars. And even with it raining, I think last year there was a threat of rain, and there was still about 700. So it's just an awesome show every year. If you can make it, come on down. I'd love to meet you. But there it is, and I will see you all in the next one.